Hello. I'm back with my drum kit again, and today I'm going to try something special with you guys as an audience, joining in with the performance. And today I'm not just here to perform, which I often do. I'm also here to promote my show that's happening during the Arts Festival, which is NLCS Drum Off. Is anyone here interested in drum solos and drum battles? Are you interested? So during Arts Festival, we are having a drum off event on the last day of Arts Festival, and this is the preview of the things that are going to happen during that performance. So I want you to join in with me and read what I'm doing, okay? So everyone join in? Thank you.